In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $250 per day from home online in 2019. The method that I'm going to be showing you guys today is a super profitable and 100% working method. I know a few people who are making tens of thousands of dollars per month with the method I am going to be teaching in today's video, guys. So be excited. Be sure to drop a like if you are. I'm going to get into it right now. Alright everyone, so before we get a little bit more into this method of making $250 per day from home, there are some things you need to know. So number one, there is some capital required to get started with this method. I recommend that you get started with around $250. And a great thing about the capital that you're going to be investing is you're not going to spend any of your money until you actually generate some revenue. So that's a great thing about this method. You don't actually need to spend your capital until you start seeing results. So number two, this takes time to build up. It's going to take you time to build up to that $250 per day mark with this method. It's definitely possible, but it does take some time. It's not like a lot of the other make money online videos that I've made. This method isn't immediate. It takes a little bit of time. And this is not quick money at all. It's an actual business. People do this full time. And the last thing I do want to mention before we get more into this is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. This is online money. You can do this if you're at home. You can do this if you're in China. You can do this if you're in Australia. It really doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can make money with the method I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So now that I've set some expectations with this method of making $250 per day from home, I do want to get into what exactly this method of making money includes. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is something known as eBay dropshipping. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically where you list products from retail websites like Walmart, Home Depot, or Amazon, or really any retail website on your eBay page. So you're listing products from these websites on your eBay page for more money. And when people buy these products from your eBay page for a markup, you make a profit. This is a really, really profitable way of making money. I'm going to be explaining everything a little bit better as we go through today's video, and I'm going to be addressing all of your guys' concerns in today's video. So be sure to make it to the end so you do not miss a thing. Alright, so now that you guys know what eBay dropshipping is, you're probably wondering how you can get started making up to $250 per day with this. So what you're going to need to do first, obviously, is create and set up an eBay account if you haven't done this in the past. This is super easy. You just need to go to ebay.com, and once you're on eBay, you just click create an account. You fill in some information like your first and last name, your email, and you create a password, and you're pretty much set to go with creating an eBay account. You must also have a PayPal account, so if you don't have one, you're going to need to create a PayPal account because that's how you get paid for the sales you get on eBay. Once you have your eBay account set up and you also have your PayPal account linked to your eBay profile, you're ready to start listing products on your eBay page to eventually get sales and start making money. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a supplier to list their products onto your eBay profile. And it's important that you only have one supplier because you want to master that supplier and understand it. Every supplier has their own set of policies, and if you only have like one supplier, you're gonna understand their return policies, their discount policies, and you're gonna end up making more money. You can literally pick any retail supplier that you can think of. Some examples are Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, etc. You can even do places like Bath and Body Works or Lowe's. It really doesn't matter where you dropship your products from. It's just important that you pick one supplier and master that supplier. So once you've picked your supplier, I'm going to show you guys how to find winning products right now. So you're literally going to go to your supplier's website. I'm using Walmart for this example, and I'm just going to look up a random product that they have. I already looked up a product before starting this video, so I know exactly what I'm going to be looking up. So this is a product I found on Walmart, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste the title of this product, and I'm going to put it into the eBay search panel right here and click search. And you can see here that a bunch of results pop up. And I'm going to scroll through here and just click on a random cast iron skill set. And I'm not going to be looking to see if this is a good product. I'm just looking up a random product from Walmart to find other dropshippers on eBay that are dropshipping from Walmart. So I found this eBay account Expenion, and this is another person dropshipping from Walmart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see which one of their products actually sell, and I'm going to copy them. So you can see here, I'm going to go on their sold listings, and I'm going to see what is selling for them, what products that they're drop shipping are selling. So I'm going to go over here. They have a product, Ozark Trail Sunwall, for 10-inch by 10-inch, whatever that is. But apparently they drop shipped it and made a profit. So I'm going to copy and paste this title and find the product on Walmart. Not all of their products are probably going to be found on Walmart, but a few of them will be. And you're going to see that they're on Walmart for less money because this person is drop shipping them for a profit. So guys, the trick is to find dropshippers who are dropshipping from the same suppliers as you onto eBay, and you're going to copy the items of theirs that have sold, and you're literally going to be making a profit just by seeing the items that dropshippers who are successful are selling for a profit. So the key to being successful with eBay dropshipping is consistency. You should be posting at least 25 to 50 items every single day. This is how you're actually going to be finding success. I recommend that you guys never use software with eBay dropshipping. Once you get more into this industry, you're going to be hearing some things about listing software. I never recommend that you guys use that simply because that's what I did when I was eBay dropshipping, and I actually ended up getting my account banned because eBay does not allow dropshipping software. Do not even mess with it. You will get banned pretty fast trying to use that software. It's not worth it whatsoever, even though it lists a ton of items for you. Never use it. It's not worth it. Now that you guys have at least a basic understanding of how eBay dropshipping works, you're probably wondering, what do you do when you actually get your products to sell? So once you sell a product that you listed from Walmart on your eBay page, you're literally just going to go to that supplier, order the product for less money, and enter your buyer's shipping information. So it's as simple as that. That's all you need to do. You're probably also wondering, what will buyers think if they get a box with your supplier's branding, like Walmart or Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you're drop shipping from, and not an eBay branded box? Well, most buyers won't really notice, or they won't really care. I have actually ordered products from eBay and then gotten a Walmart box. And that just means that the person is drop shipping, but most people won't really think of that, and they won't really care as long as they're getting a good product. The only reason that I know that people are drop shipping is because I actually used to do this quite a bit. Another thing that people are also always skeptical about when it comes to eBay dropshipping is they always wonder how to deal with returns. Well, this is probably the biggest pain of this business model. So it's important that you're thorough with your listings. You don't over exaggerate with anything, because you definitely do want to avoid returns when it comes to eBay dropshipping. So I recommend that you guys accept the return immediately on eBay. And when you receive the item from the buyer, go ahead and file a return with your supplier and send it back to your supplier for a refund. So it's kind of a chain reaction when it comes to returns, and it's a pretty lengthy process before you actually get your money back. So I recommend that you try and avoid those by being really thorough with your listings. But dealing with returns is a pain, but you're definitely not going to have no money if someone files a return on you. You're going to get your money back. It just takes some time. The final question I get a lot about eBay dropshipping that people ask me all the time is, why would a buyer purchase a product from you for more money on eBay if they could just purchase it from a supplier for less money. Well, a lot of people don't take the extra time to find the cheapest price on the internet. They're usually just stuck buying everything they like from Amazon or eBay, and they don't like to shop around online when looking for a product. So you can take this opportunity and capitalize on it. Okay guys, with that all being said, I think that about wraps up today's video. If you guys got a lot of value out of today's video and you found this method interesting, please be sure to drop a like and also let me know that this helped you down in the comments section. Anyways, everybody, thank you so much. If you made it to the end, please be sure to check out some more videos on the Financial Wolf channel. Peace out.